The Manhart-tuned Mercedes V-Class caters to both business professionals and families seeking a luxurious, spacious, and refined vehicle. Through a series of enhancements, this MPV gains a sophisticated edge, blending functionality with aesthetic appeal. The modifications are comprehensive, starting with the installation of an Inferno body kit from Top Car Design. This kit transforms the V-Class, lending it a striking resemblance to the AMG line. The front receives a complete overhaul, featuring a new bumper with large, AMG-style air intakes, additional LED lights, a spoiler lip, a hood with power domes, and a revamped grille. The rear sports a new bumper with an implied diffuser and AMG-style exhaust end pipe trims on both sides. Complementing these changes are new side skirts and fender extensions, all crafted from high-quality carbon, though not immediately visible due to the vehicle's paintwork, seamlessly blending them with the body in color or gloss black. Under the hood, the 2.2-liter bi-turbo diesel engine undergoes an impressive upgrade. The MHtronik additional control unit is installed, significantly amping up the engine's power to 280 horsepower and torque to 585 Nm. This enhancement promises a noticeable boost in performance, ensuring a dynamic driving experience. To complete the transformation, a set of 20-inch double-spoke design alloy wheels with a gloss black finish is added. Notably, these wheels are fitted in a staggered setup, with a more concave variant installed at the rear compared to the front. This choice creates a distinctive visual appeal. Additionally, to achieve an optimal look and feel, the vehicle undergoes a 25 mm lowering using hand-R springs, ensuring perfect alignment under the fenders. In summary, the Manhart modified Mercedes V-Class presents a harmonious blend of style and substance. Its aesthetic enhancements, performance upgrades, and meticulous attention to detail make it an ideal choice for those seeking a luxurious yet practical driving experience, whether for professional endeavors on the go or as a refined family vehicle.